Hi friends, today I am showing how to make mango juice. This mango juice is very delicious and I will make this mango juice is very simple way. So let's see what is the ingredients. So ingredients are needed: mango, ripe mango, cutting cubes, then after needed cashew nut, broken cashew nut, then after needed milk powder 1 tablespoon, then after needed cherry, few cherry, cutting chopped cherry, then after needed 1 tablespoon rose water and sugar to taste. This is the ingredients of mango juice. So let's see the next step. See friends, now I take a bowl, mixer bowl, then after here added ripe mango, then after added milk powder, then after added sugar, then after added 1 tablespoon rose water, then after added some cherry, then after added broken cashew nut. I broke this cashew nut. Now added 1 cup of cold water. Now see friends, this mango paste well properly. See friends, this mango juice is now paste well properly, very beautiful color, and now this mango juice is now ready for serve. See friends, our mango juice is now ready for serve, and this mango juice is garnished with beautiful red cherry and beautiful broken cashew nuts and some mango pulp. And please take this mango juice for summer season, and beautiful juice and very delicious, and I make this juice very simple way. Please take and try at your home. If you like this my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.